Hello everyone, I am Mutiara, and in this video I would like to explain about one kind of intelligence named mathematical logical intelligence. So there are three subtopics in this video that I would like to explain. The first one is the definition or the nature of mathematical logical intelligence, and the second one is the characteristics of mathematical logical intelligence, and the third one is the way to improve or the way to learn mathematical logical intelligence. So without any further ado, let us jump into the explanation or definition of mathematical logical intelligence. So, there are several common patterns that we already know or we found in our life, such as the first one is number patterns, visual patterns, thought patterns, color patterns, and there are any other else. And to understand those patterns, we must use our mathematical logical intelligence. So, according to Howard Gardens, the mathematical logical intelligence is the ability to think conceptually and abstractly, and the capacity to discern logical and numerical patterns. So that is the definition of mathematical logical intelligence. After that, we moved into the second subtopics, that is characteristics of mathematical logical intelligence. There are several characteristics that the people who have high mathematical logical intelligence have. So the first one, they are able to solving the problem, and the second one, different with many people, the people who have high mathematical logical intelligence have an abstract thought, and the third one, they are like conducting scientific experiments, and the fourth one, they are enjoy working with numbers and formulas. I know there are so many people who don't like mathematics because in that subject they will find so many numbers, so many formulas that very difficult to understand for some people. And then the last one, they usually think systematically and organized. And then let us move to the several way to improve or to studying mathematical logical intelligence. So now let us jump into the new subtopic, the way to learn mathematical logical intelligence or the way to improve your mathematical logical intelligence. So the first thing you can do to improve or to learn mathematical logical intelligence is play logical or mathematical games. It can be playing Go or dominoes with your friends or family, or you can download mathematics riddles on your smartphone. And the second one, you can work on puzzles or brain teasers. And the third one, you can learn the basic computer use. And the fourth one, you can visit a science museum. So there are several informations that I would like to add about mathematical logical intelligence. So what kind of information is that? So there are a few ways that you can do by using this intelligence. The first one, as I said before, to improving your mathematical logical intelligence, you can play a game named Go. So while you play Go with this intelligence, you can performing your mental math. And the second one, you also can use this intelligence to programming and coding, so it has a relation with computer. And the third one, by using this mathematical and logical intelligence, you can designing organizational structures. And the fourth one, you also can use this intelligence to play a game, a strategy game, like chess or Risk. So the pro chess player must have a high mathematical logical intelligence, right? And then you also can use this skill to solving brain teasers like Sudoku. I think most of you already know about what Sudoku is, right? And then the next one, you can understanding abstract theories. I know for most people it kinda difficult, but if you have this intelligence, you can easily understand about abstract theories. And the last one, you can make to-do list. As I said before, the people who have high mathematical logical intelligence work systematically, so they will make to-do list before they work. So everything that they plan is going to work as what they expect. Okay, those are my explanations about mathematical logical intelligence. I hope you understand about this intelligence, and thank you so much for your time. See you.